Welcome my dear grade 8 students. I hope you complete successfully my earlier 3 videos about equations. Today I will show you one of the area chapter in your book, that is chapter 20. So I decide to work today through this video how to calculate the area of a triangle. So many stories they shown, some diagrams available. So refer your chapter 20 and decide how they shown this idea of the area of triangle. Here I show the calculation problems are how. So I hope you know before that area of a square, how to find the area of a square. What do you mean the square? All four sides are equal. Side multiple by another side, we call the area of a square. How to find this white color, this board rectangle shape? What the rectangle area? Length multiple breadth. Like that, every plane figure there's a formula to find the area, special regular figures. If you go to grade 9, we have circle, area of a circle, trapezium, parallelogram, rhombus. And here grade 8, very important, triangle area. Okay, so today I will teach you and do some questions, explain you how to find the area of a triangle. Okay, so put the heading area of a triangle. Write the heading area of a triangle and follow me my explanation. See, I am drawing a triangle ABC. There's a formula here after. Don't miss. You don't forget the area of a square. I think you don't forget the area of a rectangle, because from primary you learned that. So from grade 8 onwards, you need the triangle area. This is the formula, my dear students. Area of a triangle is half into base into perpendicular height. Half into base into height. Perpendicular height. But first time you are studying this, therefore properly I will explain you. You also collect from me how I am showing this. So I draw the triangle here, right? So area A equal half into, what is base? You noted this everything. What is base mean? Base of a triangle means side of a triangle. Base of a triangle means side. So what is base here? AB is a base. BC also base. AC also base, right? Base means side of a triangle. Okay, right. But the perpendicular height is important. So if I take AB is a base, AB is a base, what is perpendicular height is to this base opposite vertex C. From here, you need to draw a perpendicular height. Perpendicular height. From AB's opposite vertex, draw a line, right? If I say H, if I say height for H into H, this is the equation, right? So copy this, my dear students. Follow, copy this half into base into height. Then follow this half into AB into H. Copy this part, right? How to calculate the area of a triangle today, through this video I'll explain you, right? And next we see something, the diagram like this. So before go to this calculation, you need properly how to write this formula to area of the triangles, right? Okay, see, this will you once again write the area for that triangle. How to find this triangle area? This is a right angle triangle. Name is LMN. So write area equal, copy that, area equal what? Half into base. Base is MN. and with this base you write the perpendicular height. With the base, height should be there. Base එක්කම තියන්න ඕනේ. The base order height වරවනවා. Okay? So here what? LM, okay? LM. Half into base into height. In calculation they will give MN 5 centimeter, LM 8 centimeter. Find that's your calculation. Now see this triangle. What the area of the XYZ? Write the answer for area of the XYZ. Area equal. Copy down this with me. You write it, right? Area of this triangle half into. Can I take the base is XY? Base is XY. Multiply the height with that MZ or ZM, right? That's the method, right? Don't miss that. So I want to explain many form of the formula for any type of triangle. That's why I'm showing this. Now see large triangle. What is triangle meaning? Name it. Type of the triangle. That is an obtuse angle triangle. Okay. Because this angle look like more than 90 degrees. So how to find the area? Very useful diagram. Later many questions confuse yourself that you have to study properly. How to find that area? Half into. If I take base is AB, base is AB, what is the height? Not shown here. Here it is okay. The big triangle here, acute angle triangle, height is inside available. But remember this, my dear student, is for obtuse angle triangle, height becomes outside the triangle, okay? Height becomes outside the triangle. So copy complete the figure now. This is the method, right? For obtuse angle, if I say D, obtuse angle triangle, உயரம் வந்து முக்கோணிக்கு வெளியே வரும். Or height கெண்டோனே திரிகோணයට එළිය outside තමයි එනවා ඉතින්. Okay? So write the formula therefore. What is the area of this triangle? Triangle ABC, right? Not the big one triangle. That's the additional, shown dot line, additional part, right? So area of triangle, what? ABC equal, like the formula, half into AB, base is AB, what the height? CD, height is CD, okay? Height is CD. So I hope you understood how to use this formula for any particular triangles, right? Now we use the question. Now take your page 53 in your book. Take the 53 problem. Now we can work those calculations. So I hope you know the area of a rectangle, you know area of the square. Then now from today you learn that area of a triangle, okay? So now see, first question, the diagram shown like this. They ask find the area of these triangles. Here completely they marked as 9, 5. Now complete the answer. Very straight formula here, no doubt. Half into base into height, area of a triangle. So what the answer? Area equal what? Half multiple, what the base? 9 centimeters, okay? 9. With that height is 5, okay? Half into base into height. Now simplify, get the answer. 9 times 5, 45. What is half of 45? Divide by 2. 22.5 centimeters square. Don't miss the unit. Meter comes a meter square. I hope you know that. Millimeter comes millimeter square, right? That's the answer for this question. See second diagram. Here 7, here 8.5. This is a right angle triangle, so calculate. Calculate the area of the triangle. Use the formula. Half into base into multiple the height, vertical height, perpendicular height. So the area equal what? Half into. Now can I take the 7? 7 is the base, height with the 8.5. Or you can take the, this is a base, heights I mentioned. Base mean what? Not only this line is base, not only this horizontal base, every sides are called base of a triangle, okay? So base is 7, height is 8.5. So if you know well dividing knowledge, multiplying knowledge, get the answer. So can I cut this to 3.5, okay, 8.5. So many students in O level 2, they don't know how to multiply this decimal. I hope some of you also don't know the multiple. So study once again. I explained your grade 7 maths decimal multiplication. How that multiplication? 5 times 5, 25, 2 rest, 15 and 2, 17, 8 times 5, 40, 4 remaining, 8 times 3, 24 and 4, is it okay? 28. Now sum 5, 7, 9, 2. Now count the decimal from backwards. Here one decimal place, here another one, totally 2 decimal places from back. 1 to 29.75 cm square, right? 29.75 cm square is the area of the second diagram, okay? See next question, third one. Try on, now you have idea. Now you have a good idea of calculating the area. Chapter number 20, this long school vacation. Cover as soon as possible your syllabus parts. So the third diagram, the main part, the bolted line, obtuse angle, triangle given, okay? Here this is 4.8. I don't know why they said all are decimal values. That expect a student must be practice more multiplication of decimal types. And here they shown the height dot line, because I said earlier for obtuse angle triangle, height becomes out of the triangle, that is marked as 5.2, 5.2. So we have to find this triangle, not the big one. You can't find the big area. You can't find the biggest area, because why? You don't know what the total base, complete base, we don't know. Only this triangle. So write the formula and calculate it. Area equal half into base 4.8. With this base, the height that is showing outside 5.2 multiple 5.2. How to simplify that? Cut the 2 here, cut by this 2. 4 how many 2s? 2 times. 8 how many 2s? 4 times. Into 5.2. Another decimal. Practice most students don't know, they are fear. Dekka baya venuwa. Decimal kandale paya pudrangal perakka theriyadu. So how to multiply this? 2.4, 5.2 multiple 8, 4, 20, 2 remaining 10 and 2, 12. Okay, 8, 4, 22 balance 10 and 2, 12. So 8, 4. So 2 decimal place from back. Is it check value? 12.48. Not only that, if you miss the unit, no marks. Less mark. English medium especially, don't avoid the units, right? Kilogram, millimeter, or time, seconds, hours, everything completed. See next question. Stop the video, try that question, try your knowledge and check with me the answer. Next fourth diagram. The diagram like this. So dear student, there's a word called subscribe in English. Press that. Then there's a visual of the bell sign. Press that also. Then automatically you will receive all these video series, right? If you not subscribe this, you never receive my videos. I can send for all individually. For you can hereafter forward your brothers, sisters, all over, colleagues, classmates, right? They can study some knowledge from these free videos, my YouTube channel. No any charges for you, only the data providing from the telecom on you are using, right? Okay. See this question. This is 6 and here 4.8. This is 8.5. Very useful question. Very important problem. Find the area of the biggest triangle. Actually here 3 triangles available. Big one, here a one. But there's the biggest triangle area. But the formula half into base into height. Here anything you can take the base. If you take 8.5 as a base, we don't know what the height. From the base, the height should be drawn, okay? Take that idea, right? Height always with the base. Therefore, no use of 8.5. They give for W. If you properly learn, you know what are the length you will take. So what the answer? Area equal to half into what? Base is 6, height is 4.58. No use of 8.5. Some other students working like they multiply everything. They mark like the half into 6 into 4.8 into 8.5. So they like to multiply everything because they provide a number, that's why. No, that's wrong way. Properly study that way of calculation formula, half into base into height, right? No use of 8.5, okay? So what the answer? Cut the 2 here, 3 into 4.8, okay? So multiple this, 3 times 8, 24, okay? 3 times 8, 24, 2 remaining, 12 and 2, 14 centimeters square. Is the method? See another question there. Last problem, this type of question is one of the problems. These are the school exam questions, right? Not only now, till your O levels and year after. Very important about this triangle area. Here they drawn obtuse angle triangle. This is obtuse angle, okay? Therefore height is shown. Outside the triangle is height, okay? That is 5. This is 12. This part is shown as 7.3. So the problem is find this area. That is an obtuse angle triangle. So could you calculate that answer? Try how to work that area. Half into, this is base and the height is 5. If you take the base is 12, height should be like this. Okay, height is this, but not provided. Therefore, no use of that base, right? So what the answer area is what? Half into base is 7.3, height is outside the triangle 5. So they are giving you so many divisible that cannot be divisible values. That's why decimal solution. No matter everything mathematics, so improve your decimal idea. Can I cut 5 divided by 2? Cut the 5 by 2, what is that? 2.5. 5 divided by 2, 2.5. So simplify that and get the answer. What if you multiply these two? 7.3, 2.5, 15, 1 remaining, 35, 36, 2 times 3 is 6, here 14. Now add this 5, 6, 6, 12, 1 rest. Here what, 8, is it okay? Check that. 18.25 centimeters. Okay, I hope you understood, my dear children. Complete it successfully and work your other problems. Try on. Very soon I publish other problem explanation of those questions. Before you tried it all and keep it, expect the other video, right?